In this video, we'll see some more detail about the link explorer. That's a continuation part of the links. Now, in the previous video, if you see, I've created some illustrated by and I've created some different links itself. Okay, child of and illustrated by. I want to see in the graphical manner. That's a link explorer. So I'll just click on this link explorer and I'll get a graphical picture. So here I have shown you like you'll get the relationship in the graphical manner. If you want to expand, you can just click on this plus sign. Again, you can click on this plus sign. It will tell you the relationship between the artifacts. So level 1, level 2, level 3, it keeps on expanding. If you do not want, you can just click on minus itself. Let's see some more. Now you can say as only user interface, nothing related with functionality. Now if you see here, there's an option given as basic layout, walker layout and the radial layout. So I'll just keep on clicking and you observe what will happen. If I click on basic layout, you see what happened. If I click on walker layout is a normal default, and the third one, if I click on radial layout, you see what will happen. So it will become in the radius, different radius type it will show. And here also if you keep on clicking on plus, it will show you the detail. Here only the ID number of the artifact is given here, right? So I'll bring back to the normal mode, that is walker layout, right? This is the walker layout. I'll just click on minus. Yeah, this is the better one. Next I have, if I want to show in other format, this is a landscape. Now if I want, I can select a portrait format. So you see the portrait format. It's like a tree which is given here. A tree and the branches are given. So if you want, you can change into a landscape format, which is the previous one. Similarly, there is something which says as, what type of lines do you want? What type of wires do you want? Right now it says Paris skyline wires, and the second one it says, curvy wires. So you see there is a curved wires which are given here. It's nothing related to functional. It's just, user interface, it is changing. Now the last one is very important. It says, so here it is child of, illustrated by, child of. Now in the graphical manner, if I want to do a filter part, I only want child of and child of. How do I do that? So from here I can select as filter and I can select a child of, that's it. So I select here child of and click on apply. So you observe here everything is removed, all the filters are done, and I get a child of only artifacts. So this way I can just work on the link explorer. So we have seen finally how to work on this place, that is different layouts, curvy lines, sorting and filtering. I hope you understood, and that's all for this video.